Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to safely send money from Australia to Canada. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So this is something called Wise. You just need to head over to wise.com and then create a new account, and it's absolutely free and trusted. Don't worry, it is a certified one. After that, we're going to click on send money. From there, we're going to choose international since we're sending from Australia to Canada. So we send out exactly, let me type in odd, and you'll see this is Australian dollar, and then we're going to send to Canada, so CAD, just like that, and then put in the amount that you want to send, let's say 500 Australian dollars, and then we're going to click on continue. So who are you sending money? We're going to click on add a recipient. So let's say it's someone else, so we click on that one and then put in their examples and then their bank details if you know it, full name of the account holder, institution number, transit number, account type, all of this, and then confirm, review all of the information, and finally hit confirm, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.